Hi guys, and welcome back. Today I'm actually very excited in doing this video because I'm going to be starting a brand new series, and the series is called Zero to Hero, where I take beginner traders and traders that have never traded before and see whether I can turn them into successful traders. What I'm actually going to be doing is showing them simple strategies whereby they can just follow simple rules, and by following those simple rules, if they were able to do it correctly, they should become successful traders. So this is going to be a brand new experiment for me, so I'm not 100% sure whether it's going to work or not. Comment below if you think it's going to work, or comment below if you don't think it's going to work and why. Okay, today I have a family friend with me. Her name is Chauvy. As always guys, make sure you hit the bell notification icon and hit the like button. Make sure you smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm to work. As I mentioned before, when I upload my next video, I'm going to be around for the first 60 minutes to answer all your questions live. Okay, today I have a family friend with me. Her name is Chauvy. Chauvy is actually an old friend of mine. It's actually a funny story. We actually met 28 years ago. Her family and my family are actually friends, and we used to play together when we were younger. We lost contact ever since then, and then reconnected again roughly around 5 years ago. So thanks for being here today and agreeing to be on camera. Being on camera is not easy, so thanks for that.
It's okay, no problem.
Okay, so before we get into the questions, why don't we just tell the viewers a little bit about yourself?
Okay, so I'm in my 30s. I actually recently moved back home.
So what are you actually currently doing for work at the moment?
For work, so I'm a pathology collector and I work at the Royal Children's Hospital. So actually am a part of a team called the hematology team, and we're researching about establishing baselines in children's blood results, which is actually called the Happy Kids study. So if you look at the Murdoch website, because the research I'm working on affiliates the Murdoch Research Institute and the Royal Children's Hospital all together. If you have a look at the website and have a look at Happy Kids study, you can find my study there. So yeah, so I've been doing that for about 5, 6 years now.
6 years?
Yeah, and earlier this year we managed to publish our first journal article on our research study, which is really exciting, which is really hard to do, so yay!
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so it seems like you're really successful with what you're doing already. So what made you decide to start wanting to learn how to day trade?
Well, day trading, I see it more as a skill than an actual job. So it's the skill aspects of actually like learning about the stock markets, and as well as learning about, like, I guess the economy.
Yep.
On how things are in the world. I just felt like it was just a better step for me to go towards, which branches off from what I do differently, which is more based on science and medicine. I'm a little bit of a person who gets bored easily.
Okay. So you just want to try something different?
Yeah, something new, something fun. And I've been actually looking at like a lot of YouTube channels on day trading and lately, and how it works, and to be honest, I find it exciting.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Okay, so you've never traded before?
Day trading, no.
Have you bought stocks before?
Yes.
Okay, so when was that, and which stock did you buy?
Okay, so I think this was in 2016, I believe. Yes, 2016 or 2017, either one. It was I had about, I think, $600 on me, bare cash, and I thought to myself, as a different pathway of, like, I guess, investing, I decided to go with investing in stocks. and I chose Westpac because it had like the highest dividend at the time. I think it was a 9.5.
Okay, so you
return?
invested in it for the dividends?
Yeah, just
Okay.
for like long term, and but I didn't really keep track on like how it went up or down.
Yeah.
I was just for that long game.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So yeah, that's how I.
And you've sold it now?
No,
You still have it?
it's in the negatives. I'll wait it
Okay,
out.
yeah.
As I said, it's just dividends.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, you've seen some of my videos?
Yes.
Right, okay, so
Yeah.
in one of my videos I explain the different times that you can actually trade. So in knowing that, are you thinking of trading full-time or part-time?
Well, considering I've got a full-time job, it'll be part-time, so it'll just be around my outside working areas
Yeah.
that I'll be focusing on.
Yeah,
Yeah, so
yeah.
yeah, that's,
Okay, yeah, that's great. Yeah, so as I was explaining before in some of my previous videos, even if you were working a full-time job, you can actually still day trade in the stock market or in the Forex market. You can actually trade, 1 hour a day if you were to swing trade, or you can trade between 4 p.m. till 10 p.m. And you can actually pick, 2-hour sessions or 4-hour sessions or 6-hour sessions, depending on how much hours you want to spend in front of the screen. You can actually day trade the Forex market during that time span. And I think you were telling me that between 4 p.m. to about 8 or 9 p.m. is a good time frame for you.
correct.
Yeah, so that's definitely possible. Since you're a beginner, how much money do you want to start trading with?
I've got a spare $1,000.
Yeah.
Yep. So don't blow it.
You don't know. Okay, so it's very interesting that she mentions that, because it's important for beginners that are starting to day trade to start with the amount of money that they're willing to lose, because it's actually very common for beginners to lose their account, and not just the first time but even the second and third time. To get consistent over time, you're not expected to do that from your first go. So that's why it's good to start off with $1,000, and then if you do lose $1,000, it's not a big deal, and then you can actually put $1,000 in again, but with a fresh set of eyes that you've already been able to see where your mistakes are, and then you can kind of correct it that way. And then if you lose another 1,000, then you need to go back and think about it and do it again. You got to keep doing it until you start to get consistent, and you're gonna find a time where you realize where all your mistakes are actually stupid mistakes. Okay, because the rules are actually really simple, and the mistakes all come from us as a person and not the rules itself. So even though Chauvy has expressed that she has bought stocks before, she has never actually traded before.
Exactly.
In a sense, like normal day trading. So that is actually really good, because she's actually starting from a very clean start, which gives me a better opportunity to start from a blank canvas, so I can just show her simple rules. This is also going to be an experiment for me, okay?
And me.
Yeah.
I'm the guinea pig.
To see whether with just simple rules she's able to become profitable without knowing any of the technicalities, okay? Without knowing any of the theories or anything, and just following basic rules.
Yep.
Okay, so I think it's definitely possible.
Possible?
Yeah,
It has to be
definitely possible.
It has to be doable. That's my money.
Yeah, so even for me now, over time, I've pretty much forgotten everything, you can say. I just look at the charts as the chart itself. I don't memorize all the lingo and all that kind of stuff that I used to remember textbook wise. I think over time, as you get more honed into a specific craft, everything else just become noise. Okay, so when are you actually looking to start trading?
As soon as possible.
Soon as
Today?
Oh yeah, she just got a new laptop. I'm just going to be
Yeah.
installing the trading software on
is
this a
it
little bit
here.
later today.
Yeah.
yeah, she's gonna be good to go. Probably start trading in, I wouldn't say next week, but maybe a week from now.
Yeah.
But even before she will start to go trading on her live account, I'm going to be putting her on a demo account first, just to make sure that she understands how to execute trades properly, how to get out of positions, how to move stops, even just how to understand the charts.
Yeah. Exactly.
So that's what it's going to be. I'm actually not taking any mentees on at the moment, so this is just a special case, families and close relatives only. As an experiment. I may create something in the future, but there's no guarantees. So this is definitely going to be a new series. We're going to be catching up with Chauvy in the next weeks or months or even years, just to see where she's going to be progressing on her trading journey. So stick around. Make sure you like and subscribe, comment below. Click the bell notification icon so that when we release a new video, you are notified.